Alright, concrete day. I'm gonna form these footings up, get the concrete. We're just making the roads, temporary roads here, just so the truck can get in and pour all the way around without getting a pump truck. You know, some sites we have to order a pump truck, but if we could make it work, you know, saves about $1,000. We addressed that whole road down there, made sure it was all stabilized this morning, and cut in the drainages for that new culvert, and I'll show you that after. But we are just Miko and the dozer putting in this so we could get around there to the back corner, and then the truck has to come in around there. We got to move some piles over there so he can get to that corner. Then he should be able to shoot everything with the chute into the footings. But yeah, any day you're pouring concrete's a good day. You want to know how to turn a boy into a man? Just add concrete instantly. What I'm doing here is just making an exit point for all the water when we get rain. As you know, we'll get rain before this foundation's all backfill. That way, you know, some foundations you can't do it, but this is automatically going to gravity feed out. That way it keeps the hole and around the foundation dry. So we're just moving this pile here so the concrete truck gets to its back corner of the house. So basically he'll come right here and he'll be able to shoot this from there, and then the road he's putting in, he'll be able to shoot from there. So we'll get half and half on that footing. We just got to make enough room for him to get over here. Tip is always on the bank, because this is like a 6-foot embankment. Always make a berm, safety berm like that, just in case some kid comes up here with a quad or dirt bike, whatever. They hit that before they go off, and that covers you. You know, that's your safety net right there. footing boards going in, and we will check back in a bit. All right, there it is, just after lunch. Got the footings all framed. Concrete, well, inspection's at 2:30, concrete's at 3. Here's the jog in for the porch. And there's the back side. Goes down there and around. While we're waiting for the inspection, we're gonna cut in some drainage down this right side of the driveway. Just rip the sod off and take the heel of the bucket at the same time, and it creates a nice little swale. So you just take your heel on the bottom like you heel on your foot. Just do that, and then you can shape it up after. But that gets us so the water will get on out. We got the inspection and the footings going in. Toward that orange line. I don't know if you can see that orange line right there. That's 10 inches. Footings are poured. There's your uprights for your rebar, 2 foot on center. Little overkill for 4-foot frost walls being backfilled on both sides, but that's what the print calls for.